He said, I'll go. And they didn't let him go.
That is Deasia Harmon, the wife of Devontae Mitchell, the man who died outside the Hyatt Regency Hotel in downtown Milwaukee after he was held down by security guards. The Milwaukee County District Attorney now investigating his death as a potential homicide. Jenna Ray's been following this story from the beginning. She was just at a news conference held by Mitchell's family and their lawyers. And now the protest has moved to the hotel. Jenna?
That's exactly right, Steve. We followed friends, family, and supporters of Devontae Mitchell to the Hyatt Regency, about 6 or 7 blocks from the safety building where that press conference was held earlier today. Now, within the last few hours, we have just learned that attorneys representing Devontae Mitchell's family have been showed surveillance video from inside the Hyatt. After Monday's press conference that we were at with family and attorney Ben Crump, the family of one of the security guards came forward and reached out to one of Crump's attorneys. That security guard talked to attorneys and said he tried to tell the other security guards that Devontae couldn't breathe and to get off of him. Family and attorneys saw surveillance video inside the district attorney's office earlier today and said that the whole event went on for about 15 minutes. They said it seems like Devontae was scared and he was trying to get out of the hotel, and that's why they believe he ran into the women's restroom. Attorneys say the video then showed hotel security and other staff physically dragging Devontae out of the hotel, and that's when this occurs. It's this video that we've been showing you for the last week and a half now. 4 guards who we now have learned some of those people are security guards. Some of them are also hotel employees that are on top of Devontae. We later, of course, have learned that once police arrived, Devontae died in that position face down on the pavement outside the Hyatt Regency. Family says watching that hotel surveillance was just absolutely disturbing and was worse than they could have imagined. And they say they believe Devontae was intentionally murdered by hotel staff.
And to see him go out this world the way he did, that was devastating. That would never leave my mind. That's going to live with me for the rest of my life. And you know what? I always thought that my children would be the one that bury me, not me bury them.
As I mentioned earlier, family, friends, and supporters have marched here to the Hyatt Regency. You can see them still actively behind me. They're calling for the Hyatt Regency to be shut down. They're also calling for the district attorney to charge those 4 people seen in the video with first-degree intentional homicide. Now, Steve, within the last few minutes, I just got an updated statement from a Hyatt spokesperson. They say that the employees seen in that video are Ambridge Hospitality employees. They're saying Hyatt specifically is saying that those employees should be terminated and criminally charged. We'll continue to have coverage on this throughout this evening and bring you updates on air, online, and of course on social media. Steve, back to you.
And that is a development. Jenna Ray, thanks for that.